point to point, minute to minute, I will say the real life story, real history, real time history. Even today we are saying he is right when we say they may not destroy the original manuscripts. One is a Sikh philosophy, others are followers of the philosophy. But if like a well, if we just plaster the well from inside, the fresh water will not flow in. Increase the universe of the Sikhism, Sikh philosophy, Sikh followers, Sikh tradition, Sikh ethics. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. This book is in English. I think I will speak out in English only, so that you can associate yourself when you read the book. This is a very good chronicle. Till today, I have not seen this type of book, which gives the point to point, minute to minute, I will say the real life story, real history, real time history. This he has explained. However, we have to see Sikhism from two angles. Even today we are saying he is right when we say they may not destroy the original manuscripts. They may not alter the character. But at the same time, we have to see one is a Sikh philosophy. Others are followers of the philosophy. Now the followers come. They are not first day, they are not with the philosophy at all. Gradually, they adopt the philosophy. They change their lives. They change their lifestyle. And some of them drop out also. Some of them become renegade also. But if like a well, if we just plaster the well from inside, the fresh water will not flow in. Because we are Puritans. We are afraid of that water. So we have to keep the well open. At the same time, to continuously endeavor to keep it fresh, to keep it clean, to keep it potable. So this book tells us that we have to increase the universe of the Sikhism, Sikh philosophy, Sikh followers, Sikh tradition, Sikh ethics. And for that, we have to draw in the masses without hating their language, rather loving their language, accepting their slang. Even here, if we see the people who speak in Malwa, their recitation of Guru Granth Sahib is so many times different than that of the Majha and Doaba. Because the slang is different. Now we are asking a person speaking in Jharkhandi, he should speak a pure Punjabi, a Maithili, a Uriya, an Assami, a Bangla speaking person, a Chhattisgarhi. How can we expect? His slang, his way of speaking will be different. So to say Shuddh, pure recitation of Gurbani. What is pure recitation of Gurbani? That creates a problem. So many Sikhs are there. They are from their generation together, hundreds of years. But now they are getting adopted. Because we have not tried to protect the history, study the history, and this is, I would say, it is a monumental work. I was astonished when I was reading how Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib travelled from Anandapur Sahib to Assam. And at the moment when Guru Gobind Singh Ji birth took place, he was in Assam, he was not in. But in Punjab we know only Salisraya, Jawhari and Fateh Chand. We don't see the details. How did he, so many years, Guru Gobind Singh Ji is staying there. It is the northeast, even in the central India, northwest India, south India, we have not tried to study, which is again a job I will say, because he is too much committed, that we have to see how could it happen that the 5 who were baptized, they came from far off places. Guru Gobind Singh had never visited those places. Somebody must have gone. So that part we should understand, that Sikhism, one is the expansion of its philosophy. Other is the perception of the philosophy. The third is the way of life. Fourth is the appearance. Today, Sikhi has been reduced to the appearance. It has been reduced to clergyism. The clergy is controlling, not the philosophy. Punjab is saying that we are doing at this much and that much. What is happening? Whole clergy. Clergy is ruling. And he has tried to see that it is not the clergy, it is the people who should understand. That is the difference. Sangat. So to my mind, I appreciate, I think Kendri Singh Sabha should take up this monumental work to translate it in Punjabi, so that our people also understand this. Two, it was very easy for me to read and understand this book, because I have been doing analysis of all the elections these days. So all the names of districts, their languages and all, so many things come when you analyze the northeast, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Haryana, Himachal, Maharashtra. Then you are familiar with the names of the districts, the places and all that. So it is easy for you to grasp the things, to understand it, to make a viewpoint. Last but not the least, I will say, but at the same time, we cannot say whatever is happening, whatever one is doing in the name of Sikhi, he says, I am a Sikh, I have every right to do it. The concept of Sikhism, the philosophy of Sikhism, the way of life of Sikhism should not be compromised on one side under the pretext that we are drawing the other people inside. But at the same time, in the garb of this standardization, we should not push those who want to enter. So that is the problem here. Last point I will say and go. I became a Sikh. I used to recite all 5 banis. Used to wash my hair daily at 4 a.m. I appeared for an interview in the Punjab Public Service Commission. The chairman was a known Sikh. Of course, his all daughters and his sons were used to show their hairs. He said, he's a Baniya son. Okay, you wear hair, recite 5 paudis of Guru Granth Sahib, Japji Sahib. I said, are you recruiting a doctor or a Granthi? You can well imagine the fate. And thereafter I came, I thought if these people have this value of Sikhism, I went to the barber and did whatever I am today. So we have to be, we cannot be, I will say, so much strict, so much, we should appreciate these things. Had he asked me, have you read Guru Granth Sahib? Yes, sir. Okay, you tell me what is the relationship of Guru Granth Sahib with medicine? What is the relationship of Guru Granth Sahib with your mind and body? Because he himself might have not thought of on that day, he could have asked me that Guru Angad Dev Ji has said, Veda Vesta Ved tu Pehla Rog Pachan, Aisa Daru Rod Me, Jitwanje Roga Ka. Okay, tell me, what is this? So we have to associate Gurbani with our life. Adopt our life as Gurbani says. That is the philosophy. And the positive thing he has told, that those people We are telling that the Jory and all that, they were rich also. But the part, the people poor, the downtrodden, the people whom they said they are right eaters, how did they get power? Gurbani is empowerment of the most of the downtrodden. So this book helps to glance at that, to peep through the power of Sikhism. I bow to it, I bow to the writer, I bow to the Almighty. Thanks. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.